This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecture presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. I am teaching you phonetics and the way that you have to speak English. Forget all the ways that the other people speak other than this phonetics. If a man or a person or a girl or a woman or an anchor or anyone who sits on the screen and says English through phonetics, perfect sound delivery, only those people are the right people. Who are they? They should have done their masters in English and then the phonetics from the special courses are there for that after master's degrees. They should have done that. Other than that, if they are MBA and BBAs and this year, that year and all that, this is all down, down, down. It has got nothing to do. Even if they are MDs and PhDs and all that in different subjects, they can't teach. They can't say how the words have to be spoken. So, let's try to understand. Let us start with the words. Syllable. A sound that's produced in one beat is one syllable. For example, pen, book, car, one. If it is pen and car, pen, ter, three. Carpenter has three. So, pen, one syllable. Sill, two. Pen, sill. Booklet, book, let. Two sounds. Paper, pay. Okay, so we understand that there are words with one syllable, with one beat, two syllables, three syllables, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are so many long words, long syllables. Any sound that's produced in one beat is one syllable. Okay. Teacher, two syllables. Teacher. Student, not is student. Don't cut. Don't make three. Students. School, not is school. School, yes. Careful, because. Often. Immediately. If you want immediately. How many syllables? Immediately. 5. Immediate for immediate. 4. Immediate. So we understood that the sounds can be cut off like a piece of cake. One word is one cake and you can cut. If it is only one beat, one cake only. If there are two beats, the cake is divided in two parts, cut off into two parts. So this is called the syllables. So the more words you see, you can just try and see whether the syllables have been done properly or not. And if you have any doubts, please comment and ask me and I will try to answer them. And I want more and more participants, the people to join us. And I want more and more questions of yours so that I can answer, I can explain to you. There are two ways, a new lecture and one lecture to answer all your questions. All your comments, questions, how to do that one, how to pronounce this, how to do that. Everything I'm going to teach you. Masalam, take care. Bye. Dr. Taj Firdousi says Masalam.